Hi, I'm Sam, and I like games, so I decided to make one. And I also like stickmans, because they're sticks, and I like sticks. I also like zombie games, so I just mashed them together, and I got stickman shooting zombie game thingy. So I decided to work on the project. First of all, I made a basic stickman. This contains of lots of different things, a body, head, and arms, and legs, all held together by an empty game object. I also added a basic balance script to this. I actually made a video of how to do this. The link is in the description. And when you click play, the character should stand there doing nothing. So firstly, I made the stickman actually fall down, and I did this by adding a rigid body to the empty game object which held all the body parts together. Then I added some box colliders, and voila, now it can fall down and collide with the scenery. Also, you probably noticed I've added a basic level, and by level I just mean a square around the map. This is so you can't fall out. I've also added box colliders to them, so then you can actually collide with them. Also, you can't have a game without movement, so I added some movement, and I got the movement script by borrowing some code off someone. Now you can move left and right with the A and D keys. And again, you can't have a game without jumping. That's why I decided to have no jumping in my game. Okay, let me explain. So I searched for hours trying to find a good jumping script. Apparently I'm too dumb to find out how to do it. And like, the tutorials didn't work. By the tutorials not working, it's me not working. So yeah, I decided not to have jumping. So how you supposed to get around? Well, I'm going to add jumping pads, so when you click on them, you launch in the air around the map, so then you can go on different platforms. Also, I'm going to make it so the zombies can hopefully go on the platforms too. I don't know if I can, it's going to be really hard. Then I'm also going to try and make the player have a gun. I'll do all that in the next devlog. But this is it for this devlog. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please consider subscribing, it helps out a ton. And we'll see you in the next devlog/video. Bye.